Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to change default font in Windows 11. So firstly you have to go to the Settings app, Start menu, click on the Settings. Here in the left panel click on the Personalization and go to the Fonts. And here you can scroll through this list of fonts you can find in the internet, in the Microsoft Store, or browse for your own fonts if you have such on your computer. For example, I will use the Arial font. Click on it. Here you can see how this font will look like. You can choose the full name of this font here, full name, and choose the metadata. For example, I will use regular Arial. Remember full name of the chosen font, and after remembering, go to the any text editor. I will use Notepad and paste this text in the text editor and replace this place with name of the chosen font. I have Arial, so after you have replaced it, click File, Save As, and you can name this file whatever you want. But here, save as type, choose all files, and in the name by the dots read rec extension. Save, and for example it will be in the desktop folder, but you can choose wherever you want. Save. We'll have this file, right click on it, open, and here click yes. And after clicking yes, just reboot your PC and the default font of your system will be changed. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.